Hey Raymond, this is Eddie with Multi-Man Services. We're out here doing a quick estimate on your big 3-story white house with half-round gutters. So when it comes to washing your, we do like a gentle detergent wash. Our proprietary wash will actually melt down any mold, mildew, spider webs, bug guts, dirt, anything that's washable. We're gonna wash it off with no high pressure, no brushing, no long ladders or scaffolding. It's done safely from the ground with appropriate pressure. Now you got some weird seepage going on out here by your deck. I don't know if it's deck stain or what, but I'll do my best. Gutter cleaning is a challenge because, as you can see, the roof is almost unwalkable and the landscaping. And you got your soffits here. When it comes out of all the spider webs and bug guts and wasp nests and mud daubers, we're power washing in and out of all those crevices and corners. It makes for a long day, so we want to do a good job for you. I'm the one that does all the washing, and any questions you have about it, hesitate to watch some of the videos attached to the proposal down below, and we'll take good care of you. This is all we do is exterior home maintenance, window cleaning, soft washing, gutter cleaning, roof maintenance. We're here for you. Take care. Look forward to working with you.